Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to give your Webflow website a major jumpstart with a professionally designed template, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the exact steps for getting templates onto your Webflow project. By the end of this video, you'll know precisely how to access, select, and use both premium and free templates in Webflow so your site can look sleek, even if you're starting from scratch. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. Webflow doesn't let you upload templates from outside sources directly. So if you have an HTML template you found elsewhere or something someone sent you, unfortunately, you can't just drop it into Webflow like you would in some other website builders. Instead, Webflow's approach is centered around their own curated marketplace. Think of it kind of like shopping for apps on your phone's app store. Everything you use is either free or for sale right there, and it's all pre-approved to work beautifully inside Webflow. So from your Webflow dashboard, you'll want to look for the marketplace. Once you're there, click into the templates section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a huge variety of website templates. Some are paid and some are totally free. Each one has a little price tag next to it, so you'll know at a glance what's available to you without needing to spend anything, or which ones might be worth the investment if you want something extra polished. If you've got a bit of budget and find a paid template that suits your style, you can go ahead and purchase it. Webflow makes it really straightforward. They handle the license and everything. After you've bought a template, you'll be able to copy it right into your account as a new site. This can be a great investment if you're taking your business or portfolio to the next level, but don't worry if that's not in your plan right now. There are plenty of free templates to get you started. For this tutorial, let's focus on the free options. Scroll through and pick out a free HTML website template that catches your eye. Once you've found one, just click the Use for Free button. It's a satisfying moment, I have to say, like getting a free upgrade. Next, Webflow will prompt you to create a site from that template. Simply follow the prompts, give your new site a name or leave it as is for now, and hit Create Site. This may take a minute as Webflow copies all the pages, styles, and settings into your new project. But once it's done, you've got a full website skeleton ready to go. All you have to do is start editing content, swapping out images, and customizing to fit your needs. And really, that's the only way to add a template to Webflow, by selecting from their marketplace whether it's free or paid. There isn't a traditional upload button for templates from outside, but the marketplace is rich with modern, well-built designs. You're not limited, just guided toward options that work seamlessly with the platform. So there you have it. Uploading templates on Webflow is simple once you know where to look. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a like, and if you have any questions, even if it's something little you're stuck on, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.